But you don't just plant a jacaranda. Oh, magirathi.
Ate 50 ndio kahande jacaranda.
Jacaranda yenda kundu kwina driveway. Are we together? Yes. Na ndia da kwa ndo muda gatagati ndikuraku. You don't see jacaranda in the middle of a shamba. Yenda kwika dia driveway ni. So that when the what color those flowers? Are they violet or purple?
Somewhere there about.
The violet, purple, indigo-ish. They are about. Those petals here go driveway ni. Okona hena bano cia gari. Ti bano cia mahiu. Check around. I know these things. Don't talk about kuhanda musakaranda mihango. Ria tu straguraga.
Ona inyo no kugeria.
No, it eventually grew up during my late father. It eventually grew mutharo anaguo ginya wakura. Albert is not a very tall one. You know, Mwango is also very rocky. Yes.
No, we umbetie.
No, we umbetie. Yes. You see, on a kayabari, we could carry a piu.
Nagakanga thia pio gutumana.
Yes.
No hande kaiyafa yes kamere. No karege gutumana.
Ni karege girathi ta fundi wa iratu. Kaiyafa tiko bogol filia. Esu amukera ore mani ibona matamboe. Namecha haro giriro.
Na kiuti kemeragia rugongo rwa gwitu mioro getagwo gituthu
ekira kiko kiana gitoci
keitha ngure we na imata njigua karori waga kure okire nakio gutimenya karutite kwa muthungu uriku
and it pollinates itself kana maruru meho mamera kura thika green na maumete rugongo mau namo ni maruragia na machororoma isi kwe maigoya maigoya na mumatithia go automatic no maigoya za the two hands ale kore machororoma di umetati akwanyu
iyo betagwo uguo
the ones with the black stalk mau ne makuraga because they are functionally useless. But the other petal soft ones, matiria ihenya. No he kiroro geubera ginya kioro gio.
Nage karura.
Dona nyajo ori gurukaga.
Indo iria useless ni cia ikuramu.
Kariaria. No geria kugomania kaiya. Kaiya paginya gakire attitude. It has attitude. You have to give it attention.
Nyingi muno.
A lot.
In fact, on institutions ire guko kwandikirwo mundu purpose ire wa gugatungata gukomereria
one kaigira
ni getha gatumane
na ugaceherera wega na kugacehetwo wega you are able to tell family yori they have old money.
You see kaiyafa nenetha gacehuri.
Yes.
You even buy a tool ya guceha kaiyafa.
Atisi haona ruhiu.
Hapana.
Yes.
No.
There is a secretaries. It's a secretaries.
Yeni ni kuri mangathi ma guceha kaiyafa.
Wega biu. Na rugiru rwariri. Muti uthondeka Christmas tree wetagwo atia?
Mutarakwa.
Yes. He rugiri rwa mutarakwa.
We. Ro naruo kurugomania ri.
Yes.
Ikurugomania rutumane wega na ruthondeke rugiri noticeable ni ritho.
Ruikara ta kindu ngigaragarira iguru.
Yes.
You
will need around a decade.
If not more. Yes.
Miaka ta 10 ya gukurutungata wega.
Na rugiri rwa muthemba ucio na rutithuire wagi wa king'otore.
You see.
Tia ndete ratha. Oiko waite king'otore ri. It becomes trees.
Tondu nario kurutungata ni mbia.
No, it is costly. You know it's landscaping and gardening.
tondu bwani rungiakinya gutumana ri
Yes.
ni rwendaga meshi waya gatagati
Yes.
nigetha ngui tigature njira na nguku tigature njira kuu gatagati itigie mianya
Ungirwa ndo tari kanyamu ri wona rwa ukira. No, you look around. This is research.
Kaiafa.
Yes.
Wirirwo mutarakwa.
Yes.
It's a statement.
Yes.
It's a statement.
Now, no, there's another one. Ulu kuragia eni hauri.
Ruriko.
Oya rwiri. Tumauti twa green na yellow. Kau ne gakura eni hoya. Kathia guthie.
Na nä gatambire må no nginya rå gongo.
Yes.
No nako å ngä aga gå gatirim
It can become a bush.
nä gatuä kaga gä thaka ona nä cio irahandwo må no institutions.
Na kugacehetwo wega. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Na nä kandäkaga rĩtwa.
Yes. Nä kandäka
Ihiga Secondary School. Yes.
They work very well institutions in na mä ciä nayo ya
ona institution iria ciaiguĩte rĩ he keho kahandagwo twarendio na yerũ kandĩkwo hau, you know,
administration block.
No ũrĩa ũrona ndĩmwe itharũkĩte noguo ũmenya mismanagement ya institution.
It has a lot to do with the management.
Wewe kũndwona administration block ero nĩ aregire kũheo maĩ
ukamenya utongoria kuu no muhocu
ukamenya these are telltale signs.
Na ndũngĩkona rũgiri wega
Yes.
ucoke wage ngĩti.
No,
You have to have a formidable gate.
formidable gate ĩngĩgera nginya rori. A formidable gate.
Rĩu kuu ũkĩingĩra rĩ
Yes.
you have to come through the gate.
Absolutely, you don't approach through the farmland. Dumana kiria. What do you call this nursery?
Na tuta-inĩ kuu ũkaga kĩhingo-inĩ
Yeah.
wangũra wĩ kũhingio getana
Ũgetana.
kana ũhũre ngengere.
Kana thimũ. Yes. No, these are facts.
Atĩ ũngĩgakora institution atĩ administration box ukamenya kuu EACC no yone wĩra.
Kana P box handå ha piu kamenya kå foretu they have no time for small
foretwo nginya mbeca cia ground maintenance. Thaa ikũmi na mote thiri